Okay guys, Shira is here and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Shira and welcome to my home. I'm gonna test out those foundation. Be honest, this one is my favorite foundation since I started to do makeup like 5-6 years ago, and this one it's really good. It's like my favorite foundation ever. This one is Photo Ready Candid Natural Finish Anti-Pollution Foundation. The number is 430. Now there's nothing says that it's actually stay in place or like kind of really full coverage foundation, but I'm gonna try out both of them at the same time on my face to see which one is actually applies better and which one is really going to look better on my skin. And it's really crazy because this one, the retail price is $14 and this one is $42, which means that if you buy this one, you can buy triple of those and price of this. So it's really going to be terrific, and I'm really excited to see which one is applies better on my skin. So let's start. So I'm gonna use as a base, as a primer. I'm gonna use in this one. This one is Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Hard. Starting to rub it on my skin to let it absorb quickly on my skin. So first of all, I'm gonna use in this one at first. This one, the Estee Lauder, my favorite forever, and I know how it applies on the skin, but let's see which one is applies better. So I'm gonna try it on this side. You can notice why I love this foundation, which this one is Estee Lauder. You can notice that I have a little bit redness on my skin and a lot of breakouts over here, but look at this. I mean, this one is look more natural, smoothly, and it's really beautiful foundation, which is actually applied so beautiful on my skin, and it's not even feel dry on my skin. I'm really in love with this, but right now we have to continue with this one. This one is Revlon Photo Ready Candid. The number again is 430. I'm gonna try that on this side to see which one it's applies better on my skin. Okay, so I have a little feeling that this one is gonna be much tanner than this color, but let's continue. It's much tanner. It's look more orangey, bronzy, but so far it's applies really good on my skin. It feels like I'm half white chocolate and half dark chocolate, or like milk chocolate. Feels so weird to me, but anyway, let's keep it on. Right now we're gonna test out the concealer and the foundation to see which one is applies better on my skin, because actually not every foundation is as good with the concealers. Sometimes it could be really messed up. So let's try it out. So for the concealer, I'm gonna use in my lovely concealer. This one is Bobbi Brown. The name is Cool Sand, which I'm using it in my latest videos, and it's actually my favorite. It's really good and it's really full coverage. I'm starting to put it on. So I know this concealer is already sets better in Estee Lauder because I'm using it like all the time. And let's see over here. I'm starting to blend it out with the blender. Just by the way, I really want to tell you that in this side it's feel much better for me, and this side it's really sticky on my skin. This one it just lets me feel more flawless, I don't know, more natural than this one. This one is actually feel really orangey and really sticky on my skin. Do my eyes really fast, and then I'm gonna back through the bronzer and the blush to see how it's setting on my face. Hi, it's Shira, I'm back, and right now it's time to do the contour and to see how it applies on the skin, to see if it's not going to mess up. And I'm gonna start out from here into the bridge and just go up. And we continue to the bronzer. I'm gonna use the bronzer of Smashbox. The name is Crank It Up Champs, and I'm going to put it on my cheeks. So far, like you can see, it applies and it sat really good on this side, and I'm just going over my forehead as well. So far, it applies on my face good as well. Using in the same palette another color for the blush, this one, and the name is Pink 90, which I most of the time is using it because this one is so my favorite. Yeah, both of them is actually applied so good on the makeup and the foundation, and it's really crazy. I like them both, but who gonna win? For the shimmer, I'm gonna use in this beautiful shimmer of Bobbi Brown. The name is Afternoon Glow, and I'm using in really regular shimmer brush, and I'm just putting on. Wow, that's crazy! Oh my god, you guys, the shimmery, the glowing, wow. And to the lips, I'm using in MAC lip pencil. The name is So On. And on top, I'm using in this one. This one is Tom Ford. The number is 36. The name is Guilty Pleasure. Okay guys, this is the time, and now it's the time to decide which one is the best foundation. And I'm really confused over here, but never mind, this is the time and we have to decide right now. Usually when you buy a makeup product in like from drugstore, it's not that good. I mean, it's not good in the first time when you have nothing on your skin. But when you're starting to put a concealer, bronzer, blush, baking powder, and all this kind of stuff, things are starting to mess up, like you can see over here. And I mean, you can see over here, you can notice the color changes on this side compared to this side, which this one is actually better than this side. I'm confused. I like this one. I think it applies really good. I think that everything applies good. But this one, I think this one is my winner. I think that this one is going to be really good for every day. It's not something that much for glam makeup, like when you don't use in a baking powder and maybe on heavy makeup, you can use this for sure. But if you want to use a foundation for glam makeup, this one is the one for you, Estee Lauder Double Wear. Guys, I really enjoyed doing this video. I actually think that I need to do more reviews video. Maybe I will do. Just make sure to subscribe to my channel and let me know what you think about this video. Bye, I will see you very soon.